right, here we go. This first video is going to be about me. I have come to the conclusion that AI generated tutorials to try and teach seniors how to use social media, how to overcome their fear with social media, how to even just start, isn't panning out. So you're gonna get me. I am 61 years old. Welcome to Tech Savvy Tutorials with Narelle. I'm changing things up, my friends. I am going to create online tutorials for beginners, step by step, with a whole bunch of demonstrations, and you're going to get firsthand how to actually do it from me. I have made money online. Currently, I started from scratch. I knew nothing about social media. So a lot of you were in the same boat that I was 2-3 years ago. I started with a blog. More about me. I left a toxic relationship in January of 2021. Lots of alcohol involved. It took me 6 months to get past that. And then I was diagnosed with colon cancer, my friends. The radiation has given me major osteoarthritis. I've lost 3 discs in my lumbar. I have no cartilage left in my shoulders. So I needed to find something to help me pay my bills, put it mildly. Anyway, I started researching online and I found a blog, but talking about myself and how to cook for one person online was not my forte. It was not working for me. I learned how to talk to the camera. I'm pretty good at it now. Right now, I have 2 Facebook accounts, 3 TikTok accounts, 4 Instagram accounts. I have 3 YouTube channels. This is the one that I'm focusing on now because I have found out through experience that learning how to navigate social media is really difficult and it can be really scary. And I want to help you. I want to help seniors like me learn how to use social media, learn how to video call your grandkids, learn how to use a smartphone, for Pete's sake. Some of you don't even know how to do that, and I can totally understand. It can be scary, but that's why I'm here. I'm going to help. I'm going to create tutorials, and I am going to show you one-on-one how to do it instead of just telling you how to do it. Like I said, I have made money online, not hundreds of thousands of dollars, or else I wouldn't be here. But I have made money. And there are countless ways where you can make money online. Drop shipping, PLRs, affiliate marketing, your own business, and selling your own products. But the problem, or the first step you have to take, is figuring out how to use social media, how to make an account on these platforms, how to sell yourself. Marketing is the biggest thing out there, and learning how to use social media can be intimidating and frustrating, but the big thing is you got to start, and you got to get past your fears, and you have to believe in yourself. Hell, you can even create a video for YouTube now with just AI, which is artificial intelligence. You don't even have to show your face if you don't want to. I will show you some tips and tricks. Not yet. First, we got to go ABC, baby steps, my friends, baby steps. Got to start somewhere. And I am going to help you step by step with the beginning as a newbie And we're going to just take it easy. I'm going to help you get through it, and I am here. If you have questions, I am more than willing to answer them for you. Let's start from scratch, my friends, one day at a time. This is just the beginning. This is all about me. Now, I am going to start a tutorial about smartphones. So we're going to take it from day one, all right? I'm here. Don't go away. Stay tuned.